Today we're going to talk about the most common idioms used in English. Let's get the ball rolling. Oh, and by the way, let's get the ball rolling is an idiom, and it means let's start. Oh, it seems that she woke up on the wrong side of the bed. You use that idiom to talk about people who are in a bad mood. You can tell from her grouchy face and cranky mood that she woke up on the wrong side of the bed. There's a cat inside the bag. So let the cat out of the bag. It means you told a secret that you are not supposed to tell. This party is supposed to be a surprise, but the sister let the cat out of the bag to butter someone up. It means to flatter someone too much to gain favor from them. She tried to compliment her mother-in-law to butter her up. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comment section.